Welcome to Full Circle Healing Teas and Tarot. I'm Sarah C. Join me today as I make some pasta salad with fresh veggies and herbs. So I am making a macaroni pasta salad with mayonnaise type thing. I got some fresh vine grape tomatoes, and that's dill. I don't want dill. I want parsley. I had to think about that for a minute. So I'm gonna grab some fresh parsley. And I'm just gonna pick it off. I love fresh parsley. Thank you for this blessing, for your beautiful herb. Thank you for sharing with me your beautiful herb so that I may make my food taste delicious. I have to do a lot more harvesting. Hi, Miss Moon. What you doing, baby girl? Miss Moon wants some loving. Trying to grab some of the bigger ones here. So the babies, obviously. So I'm gonna figure out how I am supposed to dry this stuff before it gets too cold. I figure by the end of August this should be pretty darn big. Actually, I should put this in the ground somewhere where there's some basic shade and sun during the day, and it will, I put a lot of seeds in there, so it'll be huge. I have my cilantro right under me and it smells so good. I'm pulling them out the root. I'm not trying to though. Alright, well, I don't want to deplete the whole thing, so this should be good. Rinse them off, chop them up. Make sure you give your fresh stuff a good rinse. The peppers are from the store. Mine are still growing. I imagine all the seasoning I'm putting in here looks like a lot. However, I made a pretty large salad, so it all works out. It's not a summer salad in my house without some garlic powder. I prefer using raw onions, but minced onion does the trick. There's some people that can't have the raw onions in the house. Here I'm making another batch of my homemade mayonnaise, which you can find in my other videos. I sure went through this jar pretty quick, wow. But, oh my gosh, delicious. It really is a very simple salad. Chop up your veggies and rinse them. And I almost forgot to add a can of tuna. It is amazing with tuna. Till next time, thanks for watching.